We have an announcement coming.
Yeah, we have a big announcement coming. So this was confirmed last week, Chris. So, one thing, when I was interviewing Steve, I was keeping my eye on the clock really, really closely, right? Just to have the cadence correct. But then whatever is about to happen on September 26th, I have to keep my eye on the clock so I can hit on all my points and talking points. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And when I got logged off, I shit my pants. Because
here's
if this
the thing.
happens on September 26th, we are screwed. We're dead.
Wait, hold on. What's happening on September 26th?
Oh, I forgot to mention it. Okay, so the long-awaited CEO of Lyft, Mr. David Risher, is going to be live on Show Me the Money Club, September 26th on Tuesday at 3 p.m. And
just appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you, man. So this is what's going to happen. He's going to come on just like Steve did a minute ago. We're going to have a great conversation. Now, I'm sure the expectations are going to be pretty high that I'm going to get him. If you guys want a gotcha moment, there may be a couple in there, but we're not doing it for that. We're doing it to build a bridge, to have him come back on. Actually, I'm going to offer him this, Chris, because this just came to me while I was talking to Steve. I go, how about we do this every 6 months? We call it the State of the Union. You know how these freaking senators and politicians and the president does it, the State of the Union, once a year, right?
Yep.
Let's talk about the State of the Union. You came 6 months ago. You promised us these. Well, what's the State of the Union now? The union between Lyft and the driver community, right? Because I'm going to play the voice of the driver community. I have everything in my head already. I have all the questions. I'm going to break it into brackets. But before I go give up more, September 26th, everybody tune in, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern on Show Me the Money Club. David Risher is going to be on live. So there you go. That's the announcement.
Yeah. So we finally, after long waited, we finally have the actual date. So mark your calendars then as well too. So you can be live part of that. And yeah, it's going to be pretty interesting to see. And Sergio, you already have what you told me the other day. You're like, I'm all prepared. I'm all ready to go. And I'm excited for it.
I'm excited, bro. I mean, look, it's a lot of pressure to interview a multi-billion-dollar company CEO, but I think I've done a few now. All these CEO interviews were like a warm-up, building up to Lyft, and after Lyft, we got to
shoot for the big guy, DK.
Who knows, right? Because look, if you build it, they will come, and we build it, and they're all coming. It's not a coincidence that these, CEO of, Serve Robotics was on last week, and now CEO of Rides. I mean, look, man, people are showing up because we value their opinions and we present an opportunity for them to get their voices out. But we're also looking out for our own community, right? The community was built to do this, and we build it. We're building it still daily, and they're showing up. Why are they showing up? Why aren't they showing up anywhere else? It's not because of our size. It's because, they understand that our voices are getting louder through the community, and this is a voice we need to listen to, and then they're going to come and listen. It ain't going to be this little hit this out of the park kind of a thing, but it's also going to be respectful. So, we will remind everybody of the rules of engagement that day. And I'm sure we're gonna do the good job on social media to announce this to everyone in the country. So September 26th, mark it on your calendar, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. We will see David Risher here.
Yep.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.